you go up this way?
Yes. Where you going? There's clearly lights over there, and people are going up and down. You can pay for this or no?
No, we're not taking the escalator. We're going up, walking up. They're going up.
Something like this.
It's alright.
Oh, I have to touch your hair, like they're touching my hair.
Leave me alone.
Come. I have to touch your hair like they are.
No, you do not. Don't touch me.
Hey, don't touch me there. That is my no-no square. You saw all of them. Why is everyone consecutively just touching each other's hair?
They're saying praises for their loved one.
Oh.
Okay?
Sure.
Mine is give me a massage when we get back.
You've been a good girl.
You give me a back massage when we get back. Ooh.
This is the highest one? Oh. ありがとうございます。Yeah, also polite. Japanese school kids are something else.
Are these all the couples that were touching each other's hair?
No.
No? This is the third escalator. It goes even higher.
Oh.
Yo, we got this. We got this.
Mm-hmm.
We got this. I'll take a back massage. Lower back massage, okay?
Why? Oh, now it's hurting.
They just have a cave here, but I don't want to go through it. It's really dark. It's like pitch black.
I mean, it's nighttime.
I know. So it's even darker inside.
Just flush it.
You're not allowed to.
So sweet. Because that's the obvious thing to do if you're in a pitch black cave.
Yes, I'm having to walk back down all those stairs.
Huh?
We gotta walk all those stairs back down. Going back.
Oh, it's right there.
That's a sea candle. So pretty.
That's the entrance over there. Where you going? Looks like it.
Oh.
You hear the ocean? Why does it sound so close? That high? The ocean's that high. Ooh, it's like a checkpoint when you see these things. Uh-oh. I'll go fix that.
What's the difference between
No, there's nothing here.
Oh my
Oh
god.
God,
Oh,
sorry.
you hit me. Uh-huh. Look.
What?
Ooh, it's like a mini mantis or something. It's like half the size.
There's a little,
And it flew.
and then there's a bell somewhere. My brain. What's the sea candle?
Shrine Day is like the same day as this
Yeah,
today.
but this is the more popular one. You want to do it? That's like a lot of steps.
Let's go.
Okay, fine. 7 minutes.
We've
right?
already beat our
Okay.
yesterday's steps.
Yeah, this is quote unquote. So apparently there's like 2 deities.
Right there.
And they were separated. Yeah.
Watch your step.
They were separated.
We'll call Uber.
You cannot go. Neko.
Huh?
It's a cat. Well, because it's cat island too, so you see a lot of cats. But I don't know if they're out.
That's one.
That's one, yes.
Neko. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
I went inside.
That one was out.
I know, she was just sleeping.
No, no, no. Whoa. Sudden light change. Whoa, imagine we get a snake instead of a cat. Oh my god.
Oy, oy.
No, no, no. Is this Cat Island?
Yeah, this is Cat Island. Where are they? I don't know. Maybe it's like indoors sleeping. It's cold.
It's not cold. It's just windy.
So we gotta walk up all these stairs later.
I'll let you pick me up.
I can't even pick myself up.
It's really high up.
Yeah, I see.
Meow, meow, meow.
More stairs.
This is kind of creepy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why. I'm scared.
I'll go there.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Almost there.
Nickel? Nickel?
Let's walk faster. Follow those kids.
Yeah, they're right there.
I know. This is the entrance
There's a
to
turtle.
yes, this is the entrance to the third one. We made it. That's the third one.
Mm-hmm. Williamson Summer Shrine? Tomorrow.
Yeah, because I told you, remember there were a few we couldn't go, like 2 towns that we didn't get to go to. This is the third one.
That's not good. Just check it out. Cool dip.
Let's give our prayers.
Uh,
Ready?
yeah, coming up here is already a prayer. Dragon and the mistress.
Where did those 2 kids go?
Oh, they got abducted.
No, save them for real.
How I know?
I am not going any further in. Unless you know what those kids like.
Right there.
Huh?
Right there.
Where do you see them?
Up ahead. It's the only way. That's not blocked.
No, let's turn around. Turn around.
It's the entrance, right?
No, that's it. Let's turn back around. I don't know where we are.
You want anything to drink?
No. Do you want?
Not now.
Okay then.
What's this map? You can loop it.
Oh, that's a love bell.
You wanna go?
Please enter the gate beside the sign. We can. We made it up here, right? I'm scared though.
What are you so scared of? YOLO.
How long is this?
What was the map? right here. Jeez.
It's scary.
What's wrong with you? I don't know where I am. Oh, we're here. Pretty far in to go. You wanna go or no? Still lines.
Yep.
No cats.
上から降りてきてすぐなんだよな。
I'm gonna eat under.
I lower back.
You wanted this pain. You got it. Yes. Yes.
北山で宮でも最後でいいのに。また山ってから持ってなった方がいい。
You want to use that?
No.